Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Discount Saved widget, helping you bring your store to life by adding motion and excitement to your discount badges. All right, let's dive in. Accessing the widget. To access the Discount Saved widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Go to Collection, select the product list, and choose Product. To enable or disable the widget, go to Theme Settings, Growth Widgets. After enabling the setting, then select Badges and choose Discount Badge Settings. Here, you can customize all settings. Background color. Choose a background color for your discount badge. Background gradient color. Set a gradient color. This will take priority over the background color. Text color. Pick a text color that complements your store's theme. Sale type. Here you can see two main discount type options. Amount. Displays the discount in a specific amount. For example, save 110 rupees. Discount. Displays the discount as a percentage. For example, save 36%. Text. Customize the text displayed on the badge. For example, save. And that's it. You've successfully set up the Discount Saved widget, making your store more engaging and helping shoppers notice great deals instantly. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.